Hey guys, this is Jay. Today we are going to see how to create YouTube banner in Photoshop. Before getting started, you can download the project file. With the project file, it will be much easier for you to follow this tutorial. So download the project file, watch this video completely. If you find this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel. Fine, let's get started. First go to the folder you downloaded. There you will see a PSD file called YouTube banner. Open the file inside Photoshop. This file is standard YouTube banner size, so you can straight away start designing it. First we are going to create a solid background. For that, go to background folder, select layer 1, go to color picker, select color E6 9914. Now we are going to fill the color by using keyboard shortcut Alt backspace. Okay, our background is ready. Next we are going to bring our main image. For that, select image folder, go to the folder you downloaded, open image 1 inside Photoshop. You can use your image here. I'm going to use this model image. Drag and drop the image inside our canvas. I'm going to place it somewhere here. Okay. Next, go to the background folder, create new layer, name it as 2. Now go to color picker, select color FEDC 8A. Now select soft brush, this one. Increase the size and give a single click at the center. By doing so, you will get a glow effect. Next we are going to add some effect to our image. For that, select the image, right click, blending option, select inner shadow. I'll keep the blending mode as screen. Select color as F8C240. I'll keep the opacity as 50, angle 90, distance 40, choke 0. I'll keep the size as 25. Click OK. Next we are going to add butterfly image to our canvas. For that, go to the folder you downloaded, open image 2 inside Photoshop, drag and drop the image inside our canvas. Okay, I'm going to reduce the size by enabling free transform to Ctrl T. Hold Shift key while reducing the size. I'm going to rotate it a little bit. Okay, I'll place it here. I'm going to create another copy. For that, I'm going to use keyboard shortcut Ctrl J. Again, I'll enable free transform tool, reduce the size, rotate it, and I'll move the image somewhere here. Okay. Next, we're going to add our text content. For that, go to the text folder, create new layer, select white color. The font I'm using here is called Letter font. It's a free font. You can download it. I'll give the link in the description. I'll keep the size as 17. I'll create some random text content. So our text content is ready. Next we are going to add a few more images to our canvas. For that, go to the folder you downloaded, open image 3 inside Photoshop, drag and drop the image inside our canvas. I'll place this layer inside image folder. I'll place it on the left side. Okay, create a duplicate copy by using keyboard shortcut Ctrl J. By enabling free transform tool, I'll reduce the size, I'll rotate it, and we place it here. Okay. We are almost ready. We're going to add few more images. For that, go to the folder you downloaded, open image 5 inside Photoshop, drag and drop the image inside our canvas. I'll place this one on the left side, open image 6 inside Photoshop, place this one here. I'm going to create a duplicate copy, Ctrl J, I'll rotate it. Okay, I'll place it here. So our cover is almost ready. So as a final touch, we're going to add bird image to our design. For that, go to the folder, open image 6 inside Photoshop, drag and drop it inside our canvas. I'll place it somewhere here. So YouTube banner is ready. So that's it guys. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, hit the like button. For more Photoshop tutorials, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.